Okay, so let's get ready to transform how you clean your house with this steam cleaner. Mine is color green, but it also comes in color orange. This is a multi-purpose cleaner and it's powerful. It's hot steam, high temperature. And what I love is that it not only cleans but disinfects. You have the water tank here. This is where you open and fill the water. I don't need to go into that. It comes with the gloves. That's why I'm wearing them. And what I want to do is clean right now my sink. Let me show you this. You can put it on and off. Make sure you put it tight. Here are all the different parts, so different brushes. This is the different brush style. This is another one to scrub, and this is a squeegee for your sliding door or crystal doors inside the bathroom. um, so I'm gonna turn it on here. You see, starts bubbling up, and very soon, in 15 seconds, it's just going to create that steam. And I'm just demonstrating it here. So one of the questions that people ask is if you need soap. You don't. You want to maybe soap it up before you do this. But this is how you will clean with the steam. This is, you see, you start removing all the dirt. And not only that, but it also disinfects. You can even use this in tires. You can also go like this. So for example, now I'm cleaning here. This is how you clean. This is how you disinfect. You One of the things that I like is so easy to use that you can actually give it to your cleaning lady if you want to use it and you don't have the time. This is super amazing to have to give into your cleaning person. And then here you adjust if you want more steam. Just be careful if it's really hot, or mine is level 4 right now, but I can go down to 2 or pump it up to level 5 or 6. Other than that, it's very user friendly. Let me use another one. Let's say that I want to brush this. It's very, very hot, guys. With this, so here, with the brush, I'm using it to clean. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you like it. I hope your house and your car and your sofa super clean.